When there's heavy work to be done, get the experts in. Polpiling Limited can provide a full range of groundwork options with specialist piling solutions for any project, including basements, extensions, underpinning, traditional and pile foundations. Choose from open auger board piling, mini, driven or sheet piling for housing and industrial structures, slope stabilizations and existing floor slab upgrades. There's information on all our services on our website. To discuss what you want, email us or call us in Surrey at Polpiling Limited.